So, magkukod tayo today. Magko-Call of Duty tayo, guys. Mag-ano tayo? Ano ba? Ano ba pwede? Okay. Dito naman. Grandmaster na sana ako, guys. Kaso lang nag-season 3. So, madali lang to kunin to, guys. Tsaka ito, madali lang kunin yan. Ito, kailangan nyo maka 30 kills gamit ang gamit ang 6-time tactical scope B. B, guys, hindi C. B lang. Para makuha nyo to. Ito. Saka ito naman parang 60 yata or let's go na tayo. Let's go na parang firing range. Ano ba gagamitin natin? Ano ba? Tundra or may bomba.
Search and destroy. Destroy the objective. We got the bomb.
Bang.
Sniper down.
Patay na. Gawin nyo lang kill.
Targets in sight.
Bayan.
Nice work. Get ready for the next round.
Kailangan.
Destroy the objective. Bomb acquired. Enemy coming. Contact with enemy. Lost the bomb. Sniper! We got the bomb.
Gamitin natin to para mas maganda. Kung gusto yung makakapatay. Oy, patay. Sige, kaya mo yan. Okay. So, sa gilid yata. Ayun, wala.
Bomb acquired.
Ano ba? Ano yung score ko? Isa pa lang yung score ko! Patay tayo dyan. Ito pa lang score ko. Nako. Ay. Ano pala to? Uy, baka nandiyan yung kalaban. Plant.
The bomb has been planted.
Targets in sight! Enemy in sight! Enemy down!
Nice work. Get ready for the next round.
Baka naman dyan guys, pakisubscribe ng page.
Destroy the
Yung
objective.
channel natin.
We got the bomb.
Baka naman
Targets!
So yun. Nawalan ako.
Targets in sight!
Ng baril.
Lost the bomb.
Nawala ako sa mod. Bigla akong ano guys. Parang umana yung dibdib ko.
Last man standing. Finish it. Back up.
Sa likod. Bang, patay siya.
Lost that round, but it's not over
Okay
yet.
lang yan.
Ready up.
Bawal pa din next round. Bawal tayo sa next round.
Destroy the objective. Bomb acquired.
Nalaglag. Malag. Ang lakas ng baril! Sa likod niya na oh. Nawala din. Ayun.
Enemy
Nag-trapper
down!
pa nga. So, 1 kill lang pa lang tayo. Well, ako lang. Wala pala akong ano kaduo. Nice one. 1 kill, 1 shot, 1 kill pala. Baka nasa B.
We got the bomb.
Plant B na. Ano ba?
Tango down.
Yun! Nice one.
Nice work. Get ready for the next round.
Kaya dito mag-testa.
Defend the objective.
Kaya na yun.
They have the bomb.
Ay.
Bomb spotted. The enemy has the bomb. Last one. Complete the mission.
Get down, sniper!
Yun na nga.
Lost that round, but it's not over yet.
Ano pa
Ready
nga?
up.
Try na ko pa nga. Di nga. Ang delivery.
Defend the objectives. They have the bomb.
Yung kalabanin. Patay ka rin, Sokas.
Enemy has dropped the bomb. The enemy has the bomb.
Kalaban, may kalaban.
Bomb spotted.
Nice.
Nice work. Get ready for the next round. Defend the objective. They have the bomb.
Frag out!
Enemy has dropped the bomb. It's all up to you now. Finish the mission.
Lakas ng tama ng putok. Ay. Sorry na.
Lost that round, but it's not over yet. Ready up.
Please.
Defend the objectives. The enemy has the bomb.
Grenade! Hurt!
Ikot ng chopper.
Bomb spotted.
Enemy contact.
Last man standing. Finish it.
2 hit.
They have the bomb.
Baril mo! Wow!
Reloading.
Nice one! Diyan ka lang ulit, diyan ka lang. Diyan ka lang. Nandiyan na yung naka-chopper. Naka-chopper kalaban mo. Bang, patay na nga. At yun na nga.
Enemy in sight.
Mani!
Has dropped the bomb.
Nice one! So, wala nang ibig-ibig to. Dito na nagtatapos.
Get down,
No.
sniper!
Wala nang edit-edit. Na, ang laban. Hihi. Ay, wait lang pala. Sige, tapos na yung laban. Ay, video pala. Tapusin ko na. Wala na, basta tapos na.